My dear young friends, in this video, Computer Science Class 12, I am going to explain you the important concept and some of the important operations on text files. So this is the part of data file handling in Python. So if you are using MS Word, there you have used some find and replace concept. Then some words you have converted into uppercase. That means all letters in capital. Then lowercase. That means all letter in small letters. Then title case. The first letter of each word in capital, and toggle case. That means capital to small and small to capital, vice versa. So how to do this with your text files, that I am going to explain today. So this video will be very interesting. So watch the complete video and enjoy. So here we are going to start. Myself Sanjay Parmar. I welcome you all on my tutorials AICS IP YouTube channel. So here we begin. So first of all, we will do this, replace a word. Replacing a word is a very simple and common task for smaller file. If you have small file, you can use simple replace method, which is available with text files. So here with text function or string function, we can say I am creating one function, txt or text operations, or let me write replace, text underscore replace from the file. So this is my function name. Now here I am going to write function to open a file. So I have already created one file, so that path I am just giving over here. So it's very simple. F equal to open, then the file name which I have created, that is intro.txt, and first it should come or it should open with R mode. You can write T also for text file, but by default it is text file only. Now when we open this file, I want to replace some data, so that data should be available. So data will be stored in this folder, data f.read. So here that data will be stored into this variable. Now let me check first of all the data, what is there in our file. So first D drive, Python, I have created this folder, file handling, and this intro. This file I have created for the same purpose. So here you will get this data is there. Now I am going to replace something. So what I am going to replace? Okay, I want to replace u. U word is there. It is repeated so many times. So here I am going to use this u word. In place of u, I want to write your. Okay, so simply how to replace that? Open your Python script, data equal to, you can write in this manner, data dot replace. So this data will be replaced simply with your required words. So here I want to replace you. In place of that, I want to replace your. So here it should be replaced. Now f dot close this file. So here we have simply stored our data here. Let me check print data. So first you check that, and then we will replace this in our original file. So let me save this program first. D drive, Python, file handling, then replace. Okay, now f is not defined. Okay, why f is not defined? Let me check. F equal to open, f dot. Okay, this due to this indentation. Okay, and let me call that function also, text underscore replace. Okay, so here you can see these words are already replaced. Wherever your, somewhere u is written, so your is written, there your double R will be replaced. See, here you can see. Now I want to replace one more time the same thing. In place of your, it should be you. So that will be replaced with the same content. So in this manner you can replace over here, but it is not written in the original file. So if you want to write the same thing in your original file, what you have to do, you have to simply open that file once again, and that file must be open in writing mode. So open intro.txt. Let me copy paste this only. Copy and paste over here. Then write mode W. After that, that should be written in the file. So to write file, we are using simple write function over here, nothing else. So that you can write data, okay, f dot write. Okay, write function is there, that will write your data. Now that is completed, close the file. When your function is completed, close the file, and that we will check in our file as well. So right now in file you only is there, so I am going to change this you in place of that your, or something like that. You means this you. Okay, so here let me check that file. Let me open that folder and that particular file. See here, this u is changed, then this your u is changed, this your u is changed. So here you can see the replacement has been done very easily. So this way you can replace the content. If you want to replace content for the larger files, then this method won't work. So there you have to use os.remove and os.replace function. So that I will show you now another video with OS modules. Okay, so that function I will demonstrate with some another programs. So now the another task, the second task is convert words into uppercase. So it is very simple now. As you have replaced this word, you can use this uppercase method also. So replace is a string method only, that method we have used. In similar way we will use upper, then lower, then title. For title we will use title only, and then swap case for the toggle case. So these are the functions you can use for doing this all task. So let me comment this statement, and here only I am going to write data equal to data dot upper. Okay, so simply it will replace the content into uppercase. Here you can see, and let me check in file also. So here I am going to check, and you can see the entire contents has been replaced with uppercase. Similar way, now it is very simple. You can change it with lowercase as well. So data equal to data dot lower. Okay, so here it is converted into lowercase. Now let me close this file. It was open only. So when your file is open, sometimes see. Okay, so it is replacing the cases. Now the next task is title case. So for title function is there, data equal to data dot title, and you can write in this manner title. So here you can see the first letter of each word is converted into capital letter. So like that, let me open that file and check it. So here also you can see the first letter of each word is capital. Now the last function, that is toggle case. So toggle case is very simple. You can write in this manner, data equal to data dot swap case. I will provide you this function list in description you will get a post there from my blog website, so you can look all this function and you can understand how it is used and how it will be changing the cases. So here you can see this is the toggle case. So I hope you understand this concept, and if you enjoyed this video, hit like button, share with your friends, and comment your doubts if you have any. If you are coming to my channel first time, watching my channel first time, hit the subscribe button and press the bell notification icon to get notified. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep watching, keep learning.